Sinde tukpe lop tu sama kungkam sa. Tat pinta dingwe de nganzu lop tsen de tip de nge. Tari nganzu di mutu ni che and tamatele ya tari nge gingwe ne pinhole camera kani ya mixage deshesh kya yi. And pinhole camera di kiransu ta tande nangla chazan changmelo nangla shugu yu zan tari nganzu pin nangla pa shugu rinla ya nganzu project leshi chunju shitone pinhole camera di sodan de che and pinhole camera di so to ben kiransu pejo tan darwa dinala chodan de ge dikan ya doctor chidan da dinala ya nganzu ge ne ni sodan di nga chazan ji dinala de she ge gi an kiransu dige chazan ji camera tone sosura ningwe pinhole camera di so to be na yagushita yore de che ta nganzu 다른 게 주시 디칸라 말레 권이야 진짜 응마들이야 아주 카리티메 디칸이야 직자종 두두진다 다텔이야 dundangomadelangege kiranso lopsen de tibikapso tibakachile ya lenke bijebi chabi ngazu tibadige de kyaduji cb ina dundangomadelang ngazu kharkhar jai merwa deleya ngazoge dundangomadele ya kan sedu sambal so say the topic light. It's a very subjective term because normally when we speak of light ngazo kan ke shev kapso singe di chitan joshi di caption bishta che di nangla ya ngazu ta ngazu ke shev kapso dele ya zowo ngazu tong deba di kan ke shev ba khari tong deba di kan ya ke she de go re and nangla ya ngazu tong deba di ta dele ya ngazu ge visible light shugruwa visible light che ani ya rikchik ngazu ma thong ba din de yugre tinte kapso ya ngazu ge tak pena mathong ba we khare yume de ya chinga jo radio wave la so pata microwave la so pata de infrared ultraviolet ti chaza chinga jo pena visible tana jo topic ti chita takarang kan la ya ke she or visible light che thong de ba ti che ta mang bu che ya jo invisible ya ba nganzo le ya mil ya invisible today into invisible light nang le ya ta jo radio wave che mang bu yung ba electromagnetic chidange da chik tadanga ke she di dingwel dundanguma de we sena kharre se da rimba mangbuchi kan nga zu teshe gya barwa we di nushuji beche tagana shinge we di labi beche labchi beche nushu se du light is an energy, right? More precisely it's a kinetic energy. Then we also noticed that light is a wave, light is a radiation, and you may even say finally light is an electromagnetic wave or radiation. Duk shechanga jo yo kan ya da deshe so ge dan chigneze le pabe ro dinde ge yo kan ya deshe gyapna mangbu yungre ta chigan jo zin tugbe do cha sha we na yo se du kharre sena jo something that helps us to see things ro jo mi that makes thing visible for us the ditch kan ya chik tap te which kan la deshe gyamna ya mati was ke yo mare ngazu we maybe na thong thong marwa mi chi chum darwa kyan nothing e chagwa na gundu chi so there has to be some source of light, there has to be a light in order to see things around us. So we digging ngazu thong thwe gi nubuchi yobeche of course ta ngazu ya mi gi dia kugruba dina ta changma chik devata di ngruba source of light yobeche and then light ray chi yungu yobeche and then ngazu chik receive chinge chik ngazu mig di che ani mig ne che ne ani di we di gangla ya chik thama de la interpret chinge yungruba di la deshe genge chik ta di khari in the menda chondo khari in the menda chasan ta lebe gi decide chigirwa so to session ngazu ta di mangbo chik nyam to thu de dwa chik khasa information the process chidandi. So the invisible lights do radio wave che then infrared tange khashe chin da ultraviolet uv ray dige de invisible ra ngazu thong thwe yo mare ngazu thong khyo mare dige de da samje khachi gi da infrared da uv ray dige de thong thwe gi nu ba yor de ne milya din nu ba yo mare we don't have the capacity to see these light. These are invisible light for us. Normally ngazu de topic the joshi the light se sambala what we are dealing with is ngaju khari chang ko arsena digana visible light takarang kala ngaju focus shigorta ngaju che keji shesa the joshi the dirta light se du 디디파 샤브체 간선딩 아주 통해 매버체 봐. 당아주 통 데브디 디르바 visible light. And visible light 나라 vib GYOR. The color dundirwa sundo dundi violet indigo blue green yellow orange red cheche sundo dundi kala ke shade gorwa. So that's a visible light ngazu then the part dinala CV na kiran so visible light na che jadi ngazu the different colors that we see in the rainbow. These are the visible light, right? Ta de ngazu dunda ngoma de ya thiwa khar le me ngazu see darwa what is light cheche ösena kharare cheche nerwa thoma ösena nushu reda mata ngazu investigate che gorwa ngazu so thiwa di lab chene ani so samtangi tangi cheche chedange ösena energy re labya di le labu yorte ine ya ngon jin thoe de ya tek kala khansam chi khago yungurwa khaji le ya ösena nushu re sebe ina 가르치니 나세 양 즉 트버지랑 신기leg도 다 딜량 삼단 진의 제베체 금젠다 데부터 내니 즉 가리셰게 여버디 콩도 롱직 콩 독사시고 그래마도 양직 다가스 랍삼기 되고 말봐 왜스나 뉴슈지레스 다디 양 삼단다 데셰 갸단다 망부 용그레테 이네야 즉 답대셔로 체베이나 즉 계산 두당고마 땡에 배준셰스와 모터지기 미치려야 모터도 주고 샤베 있나 주고 데베 있나 아니 미딜라 녀섭케요 말봐 모르디기 레가스케 체통 말와 개시 모르디 침비이나 즉 교세 시간에 침비이나 아니 메딜라 슈비이나 모르디기 미디 토라 레가지 체기도 와다 딜레가 디 체버 딜레야 가지다 work done 시르와 다 딜레야 work done 디 컨디슬레 투 레가 체기 디 카릴라 땡친 충벌세나 땅 모브 딜레야 모르디 디 차샤비나 콜레야 뉴주주요 버지 땡고와 뉴슈 매베이나 레가 디 체투 말와 소 독세제네 콜라 뉴슈 디 컨디스라브레 체시네 야 직삼단도 고 굴려자 when the object the object here is the car when the car moved it gained kinetic energy, right? So whenever there is motion, there is kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is something related to motion, movement of the object, motion of the object. So when the object moved, the 뭐라디 구조 태백값수, 뭐라디 침백값수, 콜레야 뉴슈지요, 버체 뉴슈지 굴버 라텐치는 뉴슈디라버체 에너지디와. and 딕 게임 베기 and 그게 미들이야 레가지 체토스와 so 간다 디낭신게 간주 단다 딜레 삼담베나 ö들 차샤베나 간주 ö디 잠린난 류 따지 여기 중국다 망보 용그래 와 그래서 딩에 드시 잡주충 지금 여기 중국 돈 예베제베나 지금 간주 가시그래 간주 primary source 세진에 독시 용그로 봐 secondary source 세진에 자 primary source 세두 잠발이야 지금 컨디션 슈고레 those that emits their own light those that produce their own light so 랑 ö디 토토바 딘지실이야 베나 니머도 차샤베나 that's a primary source of light for this planet all the living organisms. So sun is a primary source. That's a very good example of a primary source of light. 님의 어디. 다 님의 어디 저 차샤베는 간주 잠린이야 레벨이야 투주고고레 어디 이 교세디 당 간주 kondu shubi dingode 300,000 nimeyodil chashavena 300,000 kilometers per second. That's the speed of light in vacuum, or you may say slightly approximately similar to this speed in air also. So the nation do nimeyodi chik nimene cheche zamling badule la gama get 고고레 가츠모 가주 교고이나 두수주고 오고도와 so 간다 가주 잠리나 랩고 고 교고 쇼지 랩고 스피드 덴데지 간 랩고 so then the speech object move chige na dagi kontu shubnashi ngobuchi move chige yobina and delia nushu juyobache so light dia move chige yosa koleya nushu juyoba sebre odu shechine so light is an energy do sheje yan chingonjin thwe yore dan tagna shinge light the wave imba la imba ta di jan gerab lu junal ji chungdan de ba deshe gyapdan de chungrim de ba sevi na di na tsari ba mangbu chi phangrim che ma che chin deshe gyap gi chen yore wa an di na so che shu chi maxwell sing tsari ba chungpre wa ta ti krang gi maxwell gi deshe gyave di ta la imba chi wa chi kasigre öge ngodi ta chi lab chi imba che 아니 랍기 균에 아니 즉 뉴슈셔 봐 에너지디 다직 사지식네 직라파 다직 같이랭아 저기 오덴체 토바다 무브 체토바 트랜스퍼 체토바 so wave is a I can say it's a medium to which the energy get transferred. Wave is it's nothing but transfer of energy from one point to another. ra den de chik point chik ne sa chik ne chik le ya energy de nu shu chi ta chik transfer la na ta chimbarwa den de pa ki thwe de ta wave ki unit ro wa so de she chine nime yo ne nime de nime ne che chang adu zamling bad le thwe di chik wave ki gulam chi ki thon ne li gi yo bati do station gap re maxwell chung pare de ne hertz chung pare de de thon ne de she gap che che thamate ve da ö ki ngo de ya lab chi ba che lab na na ya lab la ya ta nga zo rig damina zo yung kuru ba zo yo ki lab di chik nga zo ki ngo di chik khande do chi me chi shevi na it's an electromagnetic in nature wa duk che chene da da nga zo sound chi do da di gi lab di da yo ki lab ni ngo di tes logar wa so du she chen dan de zene kebe kap se ya da di ko la lab zen de ma thig re tu du sam ba ya kina zo chik hyap si nyen be na lab se de khande chi la lab se na khar re sha lab de gi chik ye ba khar tu de de chi ma de she kebe re tu du sam ba pe je te se bu cha sam bu do so yo ki kon la de she du she nga zo rimba she chen mang bo chi ne de she ga yo re di dun ta ngo ma de ya kina zo kya jun su du ya si na dig re wa de ne tibni bu chik where does light come from la chik chung bre ani öde kaban nga zula ya lebgi yeme kabane chumba yime kabane lebgi yeme ding nga zu ke shedu sampan ane se nga zu chung kan ke shedu primary source yore secondary source yore bena nga do cha sha bena I'm not a primary source because I don't emit my own light I don't produce my own light so therefore I am not a primary source I'm a secondary source because I reflect light the studio now you have a log to getting x and they get reflected and that's how you are able to see me tuk sechne pa che kan jo ge ta yogi left side di chung khung di pa che ju chebi na yak chi ngo bu kha chi gi ya che yodi su su rang yodi ta che ka su re produce cheba tot din de chi re kha chi gi ya su rang yi ngwe ne yodi ke so ma thu ba che ibe ne te to tho chi bar wa yodi to tho che ba do chi la re the secondary source and primary source sun example that pel shabe na pech lembe na ya shodi go chu sun is a primary source I'm a secondary source table chair or these walls the whiteboard everything these are the secondary source because they do not produce their own light and then nga jo ge chik nga jo ge ning ji bu chi ya di kap tu du zambali ya joshi di gala sokja semje mangbu ji nga zo da chi me gi so sha ba chi artificial mangbu yung dwa pena ya tube light so but primary source na la ya natural yung re artificial yung re sun is a natural source of light primary source re te ine ya natural ba tu dang ma de cha ba source of light na la ya source of light na la ya ta chi primary che to session and then secondary when a secondary source of light ge example step when the moon is a secondary source of light na zo daga dirwa an daga ding zo nanga gon sena gon le ya thong de ko ge yeji thogyo bi thong go re te ine ya does moon produce its own light ta di marwa ta di kan sam da na daga ge so rang ge we di chi thot hu re mare di kan sam da be na ta nga zo na de lunar eclipse le so yo ba lunar eclipse lunar eclipse kisi moon is a luminous object then there will not be any lunar eclipse derwa samnashtam beina so te dakarane chik sebushura thugudwa moon is not a primary source of light moon is not what should I say it's not a luminescent object you are luminescent object the non-luminescent objects se do luminescent object is those which produce their own light luminescent object non-luminescent so moon is not a luminescent object because it does not produce its own light. If it produces its own light, then there wouldn't have been any lunar eclipse. So secondary sources of light, myself is a very good example of secondary source of light. Primary source of light na ya yevachevi na ya natural the artificial yungurwa. Natural, artificial. Natural na ya tube light that get chazan rami gonda natural sedu sambale rangshing girwa sun stars and if you remember last week I talked about some animals that produce their own light and we call them as bioluminescent lady socha semje rikchirwa pen a firefly is a bioluminescent firefly gonda tsana kon la ya bujtwa ko shugu de yoch caption togdwa digi that the example chirwa firefly that's a bioluminescent animal it produces its own light so there are so many other animals many of them are found in the sea chonala ya jellyfish rikhachi gi ungure dana shingi ya chi busing chonangi denge busing khachi octopus khachi da denge mangbo chi soja simchi mangbo chi squid la so patin they produce their own light. We call them as bioluminescent. Animals that produce their own light is called bioluminescent. Right? So bioluminescent kana ya chek tonaj che da kyan so tajang wo chene ra khar khar to sem che so cha dige pen firefly do cha sha be na kunzu ge how are they able to produce their own light? Why can't we produce our own light? Why do they produce their own light? Tuk session tiwa de sam tang be na ya so so ngone investigate chi chogwa chik ya de kana ya research tende 저게 samtang soso running and samnota tajango dinema lo karitisha dina gumzen dige ba cheche raba dok session chechogre shwe so bioluminescent la de da chidan protein de ge chemical reaction zegur chi ngo tonerwa o dok session konjogi subunal zegur chi 중구엽에 tone due to a certain chemical reaction they can emit their own light. Right? And then a protein, bioluminescent animals, they've got a specific protein which helps them in conducting all these chemical reactions. And you look out for that particular name of that protein. Right? Information ready-made 소송은 제주 제 먹어 봐처럼 아니 정말 랍데비나 아니 도와서게요 말해. 가면 소송은 에디 가르샤 삼노야 지 르벤이버티 삼탄치네야 대간 제주 제 가르샤 지 삼탄치네 제주 제 투비나 안 되게 기란솔라 펜토체 용그래 독시 다 간다 ये देशागी primary source da secondary source ni che and primary source the la luminescent object la na digidu secondary source the non luminescent objects na digidu luminescent object na ya ye chevi in a natural yungre artificial digging also candle electric bulb all these are artificial natural na la sun stars firefly bioluminescent all these are natural right source of light light kawane where does light come from de dokshe dadene tiba dijele ya ngegi object dige ya yewachi chevingirwa I differentiated object like transparent objects dige yewachi chevina transparent chikche transparent and then we've got translucent and then we've got opaque object. We've got opaque object, right? So these are the three different kinds of object. Transparent, those which allows the light to pass through. For example, water, glass, and the pure transparent object are they really transparent? Are they pure transparent? We normally say it's a transparent object, like water is a transparent object, air is a transparent object, then glass is a transparent object. There are some other objects also which are transparent in nature, but are they really pure transparent? 가르세게 만족이 오늘 당내게 해매베기 pure transparent 이나 매나 체치네 야 트버지고 조그래와 가스나 양치 아주 transparent 시위인베나 light 디 차산지 빠 셰고그와 all the light has to pass through that object then only we can say it's a pure transparent object 셰고 디가 가나 여지 퍼비나 do they form a shadow 추가나 여지 퍼비나 do they form a shadow 그래서 shadow 팀나 수교에 있나 알아봐 되게 얘네 가르쳐 거스나 라이트 차산지 유네 파 가지그래 두기메버치라 지 차시 지 까기 없어도 지 light kavi na obstruct chevi na, then only a shadow is formed, right? So pure transparent object over sang mang anju tanda namgyu ne pezwe mang buch dan deba di chasa chi pure transparent in the menda, but normally we say they are the pure, they are transparent. Glasses are transparent, right? But are they really pure transparent? That could be a good question. Then opaque object, those which obstruct the light, those which block the light, those objects which do not allow the light to pass through. So transparent, those objects that allow the light to pass through. We call them as transparent. You can give the example of a glass, water, air. So all these are transparent objects, right? And then we have got translucent object. Those objects that partially allow light to pass through. Light to pass through. For example, tracing paper. All these are example tracing paper, butter paper. These are translucent, and some of the glass may even be translucent. Then we have got opaque object. Those objects that do not allow light to pass through. That's an opaque object. Example, there are so many examples of opaque object, including myself. Duk shechene kanda transparent, translucent, opaque object shechene. Mobutige dipa yevasumla che. The next question was how does light travel? How does light travel? Right? Chidan light travel. Chidan the wave ki form na re. They travel in the form of a wave. Lab ki mo thone ra. Light di. Okay. Lab ki mo thone ra. Oduk shesh dogo re. That's called a wave. Let's say this is the normal position, mean position. So up and down, up and actually the thing is light is an, as I mentioned earlier, that light is an electromagnetic wave. Electric field, the magnetic field ni yungurwa. It's a two-dimensional figure. I can't draw it properly. So the Julia slide getting it yungurwa. Then dumba the nyamalop scientific up swing is the tempe slide the tinala light gi lab the electric field x axis the y axis nija gana ya electric field chichik on the magnetic field nija perpendicular to each other right angle gana yoba duk shechne right angle digala ya kesi the y axis the gana ya electric field yoba ina x axis the gana magnetic field yoba duk shechanga jo tengo re ta ganda light travel che di wave ki form na chik travel chigre ya nesu shibashton sheve na light travels in a straight line la neti gitwa light travels in a straight line khatu dukres tanda digala tanda di choshi de pejing e di but tibati how does light travel se du sambali ya tibati nge chita ta khwalen da mangbutu te ne what I mean to say is, do they travel in a straight line or do they bend around? So the young Tibetan lady light travels in a straight line. The Kumzen the Kazang Dundanguma Cheguchi Tony Cheba, Benakatu Cheve in a pipe suru Katu Chebe and I can look through. this straight pipe the pipe the ngazu ge pukdong do the khatu din me tebe na phajo tele ya ngazu ngobo the khariyo the nge thong thug dwa that's because light travels in a straight line. If I bend it ma kuk be na pipe the ma kuk be na ta kyo imbe na dok sheshne pipe the had it been like this kesi pipe the kugyo ro chimbe na ani dele ya ngobo khariyo the nge thong thug marwa I won't be able to see what's on the other side of the pipe. So, light always travel in a straight line. When we say light does not travel, when we say that light travels in a straight line, it's still an incomplete sentence. What we have to say is light travels in a straight line when it goes in one medium. Medium chignal ya chimbeina, kulum chignal chimbeina. ni ko khatu dugres ta gyulam chola gyuba chimbe ina ani ko kyo dugres ta di gyulam ka yo de me gang ke shigirwa when light travels in one medium, let's say there is let's take the example delia gyulam chik mashmevache and there is only air medium inside and now I take these two pipe right in first one, I take a straight pipe and I see through it. I'm keeping my eye on this side and I'm supposed to view this object. Let's say this object, which is kept at the other end. I can very well see through the pipe. I can see the object. If the pipe is bent like this, now will I be able to see through the pipe? Will I be able to see the object on the other side? No. So the light light does not bend. Light does not bend. Light goes in a straight line. Condition medium we are considering only one medium and that is the air. Now if there are suppose two different medium kesi nganzu dele gyulam ni yabi na pena here we have air medium outside the air medium. Now this is a glass medium. And let's say suppose the light is coming in this direction. Now it will bend. It won't go straight, but it will bend. And that's because there is a change in the medium. Medium ni dwa dele ya. So it goes straight, but when the light changes its medium, then it bends. We call this phenomena as refraction. Light we call it as refraction. So it's called refraction. And why refraction occurs? It's because the speed of light changes. In air, it's around 300,000 kilometers per second. But in glass, it's 200,000 kilometers per second. So there is a change in the speed of light. This one, then only it bends. Bending the refraction light kyokti. So chida refractions change in the direction of refractions change in the direction of wave, because light is a wave. Actually it's a wave. So kesi turbulent then we say it's refraction. And refraction is the bending of light. It's a bending of light. But actually refraction is change in the direction of wave. Refraction. When the medium changes. Medium Kede medium chigrana, then there will be no refraction. Right? There will be no refraction. Light always go in a straight line. So whenever you say, does light travel in a straight line? You have to be very specific with your sentence. Yes, light travels in a straight line, but the condition is that there has to be only one medium. That has to be specified. If the medium changes, then it won't go straight. It will bend. And that bending or that change in the direction of light is called refraction. How do we see things like you can see me, I can see this object. How is it possible that I can see this object? And that's because light from the ceiling, which is in the studio, falls on this object and they get reflected. The doctor studio now you have light the and over the doctor some part of the light may be absorbed by this object. If you remember, whenever light falls on an object, what happens? Three things are most likely to happen. First is reflect. It get bounce. It bounces back, right? It bounces. So second thing is it may get absorbed. Light may get absorbed. So and the light that is being absorbed by the object gets converted into heat energy. So absorb nature black color absorbs more light. Light color absorbs less light. Because the only reason is that absorbs good amount of light. Duche. Takanda ödi timgores kachik ödi kachik timgurwa ngobudinal. Dene tamatela ya kesi di imbeina transparent object imbeina ane di refraction di ungurwa ödi taking issue nashi ödi chokto cheba. It changes the direction or the refraction. So they can do when the medium is transparent, when the object is transparent. But this is not transparent. So here we have got now refraction. Refraction here, majority of the light is being reflected, and maybe some part of the light, some amount of light are being absorbed by the object. And when light falls on this object and they get reflected, and the reflected rays goes into my eye, and my eye, the sensory cells in my eye, the photoreceptor cells, linking and the lebanal patching and lebanal function and lebegita chebachirwadi sondo resha da chingmangboji ngobudi resha da sopta da yip da sangmachirwa all those session kanda da delia ngobu tongtwe di gyumzobudi because of the reflection of light the bounce chesang the doctor chesang we see things. So how do we see things, lady? And that's because of reflection of light. Doctor chesang ngobudi ge tongores da delia 단당에게 디직 기란솔라 tibadigedche and the chaza kesangma chabacherwa these are bioluminescent. How does light travel? The activity changes. How do you see things like dirwa when light falls on an object, they get reflected, and the reflected rays enter into our eye, and there are cells in our eye which receives these light and then sends them to the brain. And brain interprets everything, brain processes them, and brain decides everything about the object or what we see. 도시 안에 다데네 다들 트부직디 다린직 why do leaves and grass look green? Why do we see this thing as green? 추디게디 마우 가르친 통고래 랍초에 용구래 다디 천도 짬을 통디도 안 오고 디게디 가르친 통고래 디날직 CV나 기나죠 because ngaju nyime di 천도 둥기 소샤브디 용다로 치체 봐 that is called a visible light tagingo shuswangegi visible light ring ngaju 통데버디 so visible light now 천도 둥이로 와 둥디 ngobu치 간 포도 삼발라 로마 페나 로마치 간 ngobu디 포비나 if this is a light and color dunch povi na, let's say these are the 7 different colors. So these are the 7 different. When I say color, I can even use the word wavelength for the term color. Color se ke marashimba wavelength manda dunruwa. 7 different wavelength. Color 7 different color, 7 different wavelength. Chiku chikan. Ta loma de kan photo zama khachu loma de jangu thongwa gyumse di let's say ta dine nganzo ge RYGBIV color dun di inda. Right? Ta di color dun na ne color shemba chaza chik loma de absorb shiru horba. Leave absorb all the different color except the green one. Green gets reflected. Green ni kogi absorb shigo mar kogi reflect shigo re. An te songza nga wavelength green color gi wavelength nga zu meg na chinsa jangu thongor. So gyumsen de da derwa nga zu sa jangu thong. Kushu ma ko khasin thongor because color dun de nime di di kan povi na kushu kan povi na color dun na ne red color get reflected. All other color get absorbed by the apple, so that's why we see apple appear red. Time be na dele ya samtang where she red wa nye kyan so the twitch go korwa dele ya is black a color nuz na kuch thong gudwa kasna color dun na la visible light na la nakpodi yo mare chondu nakpodi neither black nor white color ka buta black white shade dele ya ketio mare black white. So do you think there are colors? Black is black a color? Normally say ngajo ya chonda chikta art and craft period the drawing that they chonda tam pick up so ya ngajo di picture ga chirwa black color. All black color go to sis right. Then then the whiteboard the color typical so ya there black in color to black color mark pen page tang gitwa. The black the color red mare la chi. Similarly white is white a color. That ikran samna erta. Black is black a color, is white a color. Because what happens? Everything appears black, right? So black hindu sambal light mena black redwa. So tell ya inji black sing color chi meva de bezun yak shoch mix be nan nakordo. Tell color chona ke thongu mudwa. Light mena ya black thongu dwa. So is black a color? Tadir think about the len chick kete dele loma jangu thonga de gyumsen de kharela so chonda dyun di na ne jangu di doctor chesa chonda jangu di doctor chesa di chesa aju loma di jangu thongor wa. Now imagine if there is no reflection of green light. Kesi green light reflect chigi mena loma gi. Imagine if all the colors are being absorbed by the leaf. Loma di color chasa chonda dyun di chasa absorb chigi na it does not reflect any light. Imagine if leaves do not reflect any light. Imagine if leaf absorbs all the color. Then what color do we see? Loma di sonda khandero stongdo khabr. Check che. Tiwanyibadi. Tangi tibadi de tishana. Ya kiran sometimes yungruwa. I'm going to write the question, you think on it. And then here so ge samno tang rwa langsa len che mo go so ngon samno sta ya de de yun ku do sari nang lo la hypothesis de so ge samsu she de ge proof jul shi gir tarwa in hypothesis samsu she shu rwa ani ju so ge ya de de zero de ge nyam to ya samsu je len che you can have a debate. So there are discussion yung chogre dene dele nge tiwa de tang bo di inda what if leaf absorbs all the colors. What if leaf reflects all the colors? Then loma de kande dos thongyu na se tewni de kan che. So I'm not going to answer these questions. You can think on it. Doshe tadene dinda dijela dikazan shoots have what happens if light falls on any object. 3 things may happen. Either the light ray get reflected, or they may get absorbed, or they may get transmitted. Transmit cheval the medium the transparent dos kugruwa no doshe and then the chelaya so the refraction chenge de shya sawache tatene shadow kana kesanguma ken sheba shadow se du sambali ya kharsa area in that area where there is no light the digital shadow is an area or a region where there is no light 왜 매사기 차군치라 서구치라 야 라바 야나 야균치라 드레치 사지치리 양아족이 shadows 슈그루바 다 shadow 계산경망에게 데려야 제고 싶던에 shadow들이야 즉 서구가 만다바니 region 대제 만다바니 지여버칭에 캔슬 된소와 나 된체네 기대 낙고 디여버들이야 암브라체 아니 타들이야 대참기 나고 매버들이야 아니 페남브라체 슈도와 아니 shadow form cups. Whenever a shadow is formed, umbra is always there. Penumbra may or may not be formed depending upon the light, source of light, whether it's an extended or it's a point size, and the distance of the object from the source of light. So penumbra, umbra, cheche, these are the two regions of shadow. The central darkest region is called the umbra, and they're surrounded by a fainter shadow that is called the penumbra. So there are two regions of a shadow, namely umbra and penumbra. Dukshe, then what is a pinhole camera? Pinhole camera pinhole camera actually I made two pinhole cameras. And pinhole camera so de sta yore ra ta nge de pinhole camera ni yore ta de room din ala nga joge ang ba din alia ta ö shuk shum sta chilo ta be na ya sta thongure pe ning ji thongure ra an de le ya ö de shuk shum sta me du sambale ya tesam ki sebo ke thongu mare so but nge gi kiran so le ya di ma shik chene khades khar khar tu nang lo di ma shi tong ro ba so de le ya pinhole cameras gi thangbu di ma nge ji so di nang lo khar khar pe ju ta me ji ji an kiran so nang pa so chog ro ba 당에 마 식식이다 디 소교디 녹시니 트립 담샤이레 녹시 된다 아딩에 잘나 다들 저거지 디 나네 얘기 하래 다디 키란서 디르다 Pringles chip ki box rochre actually you can take any box rectangular shape box or cylindrical shape whatever you find nge del danga cylindrical shape chi using e dux lempi tadinge nalong oginda khari khari yumesta se dux sheshinire so Pringle box na you did shoba dingege tobai samstine neri kesi kiran na la Pringle box de yobi na de yobi na chips box de tene centimeter ni ro centimeter sa gonda inch ni ro lench ne height inch base ne inch ni ro lench ne nge top shabi an top chine khatu top chine ro atikala ngege transparent sheet chik from the ragre kiranso yana kiranso digana ya transparent sheet the mave transparent sagonda translucent sheet the mave na tracing paper the mave na ani kiranso yan num shugu gala ya chik namjune white sheet de gal num chuchne pejutang chogre ta dinge ma shibe na nge do step tamsharwa dokshishnra this is the transparent sagonda the this is the tracing paper that I have used. Gogo stup chinirwa tracing paper dire par paper de namju nali yobe na pejtan tigre yan num chu chine shu ka bu dire gale pejtan na tigre wa an tikan la ya igun tikal kap share doshine you fix the tape around the paper dos semya chedrwa tanenge tape chabna shi ale lab stare anti and di joint share khatu sha and tape gis yakuchne fix nge de black tape pejtan be because it will not allow the light to pass through wa dinala yodi zubene as image changma thong marwa deshine it should be everything should be every light should be blocked from entering into the box 독세시네 간다 깝고래 차상 탭이야 굿담 and then end ditch네 and ditch 동바르와 from this end we are going to see the then 이군델이야 내게 delaya 초 then 초 딜이야 샵델 내게 이군 추주직 이군 첨부 맞다 이군 첨부 슈 서베 있는 교양 가리운 그랬으나 image the blurred 통구리 세부 통구만에 이군 춘주 옆에 있는 캡슐로지 이군 춘주직 that's why we say pinhole camera pin스나 캥기로 와키란 쪽 아주 핀로지 고그르마 또야 이군 춘부 슈슬렘베 있는 아주 야고 통구리 짱아 통구 된데겠지 말해 이군 가수 춘부 슬렘베 있는 대삼기 image get distorted blurred those 통구리 짱마 통 말해 it should be pinhole you have to make a pinhole here 캡로지기 pinhole 치네 쪽치 기델이야 라네 이군 디스 안데네 차브레 키란소 딘타에레 image 통구리 세슈에 so then let's start all you need is a तागा दिरवा box khari lene degree shoe box khari lene degree ro khari nang khari yobe na dindage yo na degree so tele ya translucent paper do shkugu maybe in num chune kiran so search hogre ro odin de sobe ina ani kiran so pinhole camera ready re ani kiran so chilo sibe ina ta thenge pinhole camera di sodan di lela start do ta so deshe di da pinhole camera lega chidan de khare so chabe chula kiran so ta darwa pinhole camera nge de so jo dire ro chembudi and then tabe ina kiran so image thongre ro ta ngazu thari pinhole camera gi lega chidan de kechimbu inda pin na khare re how does it work di kan le ya ngazu keche shegi darin gi joshi tamadi and ya gusia tangbo de la pinhole camera as you can see in making this pinhole camera I didn't use any lens. Ngedina lens ke kan pechthime. Ngazu namgyune camera se du zambala we're supposed to have a lens in a camera. But in making this camera, it's very simple. We don't need any sort of lens. Any lens. Ngazu de goya kyune mare wa lens kyune goya kemindu. So pinhole camera se du zambala a camera without a lens. Camera pecho matang lens pecho matang butoni camera chikla ya pinhole cameras shugure. We are not using any lens in making this camera. That's why it's called a pinhole camera. Tatene ikundene pinhole camera nala ikundene yodi zuchene ani tagging egi paper dika. This paper, translucent paper, act as a screen. The screen ge lega do chigo. Light enters through this pinhole and the image is formed on this screen. Image kwa sugre on the screen on this piece of sheet, translucent sheet, and light enters through this pinhole. Diche so the dechile yang ajugi pinhole cha a camera without a lens and light enters through the pinhole and image is formed on the screen. So such camera are called pinhole camera. Now how does it work? Di tibati nengar pinhole camera lega khande chigume. Now look into the slides. The slide digisia. Go to pele la wringe denala. Tangbode khattigidu. Sun rays shine onto an object. So there has to be a source of light. Room na gunsh na la camera di sive ina kya ke kan thong marwa you have to take it outside where there is a plenty of light. So sun is a primary source of light, and when the sunlight falls on an object, what happens is it gets reflected. The object reflects the light. As I mentioned earlier, maybe some of the light get absorbed and some of them get reflected, and if the object is transparent, then the light may get refracted. But over here the object is tree, so the tree absorbs the light. As you know, how can you prove that tree absorbs the light? Now that's because the leaves, they photosynthesize, they absorb the light in making food for themselves. So photosynthesis dilaya chungbalaya nye zejo chungbalaya ani nyeme ödi kalchigre su lengirwa lome nangi jangze dige su lengirwa nyeme ödi su lengirwa so di su lemba dinga zugi ta absorb chiba timbat di ta di sebu shure di ra töbche ta chingdong dinga zu 통그르베 라나 통그레 통그 여버디 가릴라 땡친 중벌에나 ödi shingdonggi nyeme ödi doctor cheba dil 땡친에와 so the light get reflected from the tree and the light passes through the hole. 아주 되게 pinhole camera 기 이공 춘추 söba di nangla야 아니 ödi zugre an tamadelya sumbadelya pinhole nangla zuchene image di kawa sögre image is formed on the screen. Ta dinghe part di nangla kiranso seve na image di kari image 통그레 kiranso image khandere uchire sharwa but you can make your own pinhole camera and see what what kind of image is being formed on the screen kiranzo sia so rangi pinhole camera the search in touch and antinala image the khande ro thonggudu nge thanda partner save na kiranzo khare ro thonggudu the image is being inverted small size chunju redwa and is inverted so nge dele ya dash chunju chyabe na image the kan ya sia dele ya interesting characteristics of image image ki call a dish the image khande to image ki khejo dikala characteristics of image formed in a pinhole camera so image called dish gabe na the first thing that you would notice is yeah option there image tang de part nang lo la inverted to you may observe it yourself is it erect or is it inverted gushu lo gyo redwe yana gudin lo gyo redwe yana khatu redwe sechine di chikran so di ni gang samnushna che you make your own pinhole camera and observe the image formed by it and think on this statement if it is it erect image or is it inverted image right the tangbot cherwa nivedele ya small size or big size nge small size big size se di nge ki compare chigoyo da kharila compare chigoyo na I'm comparing the size of image with that of object na object la compare chigoda dele in comparison in comparison with object yeah object la compare machive in how can you say that the image is big or small right so pena ya listen right the mavhina can you tell me is it big is it small can you define it can you give me a statement the chimburedwe chunjuredwe shetu marwa kesing dindule tile dikyung be na can you say is it bigger or is it smaller is it big or small compare chisach yebena then you may say this is smaller chunga dus la tugurwa compare chisach mebena that's a reference point right so here we are taking the reference of in comparison with the size of object dukshe so small redwe chunju redwe chem redwe ngazu nye su chögurwa pinhole camera nye su bdi ge chem redwe yana chunju redwe object ge chejung la ta chinerwa dukche tamadele ya real image or virtual image deinda that kedi kranzo real image the virtual image they call ya king mevi na ngema de tundu chi tari tamadelinda that real image the virtual image se du samba khande chu sugar se na khanda dingi de ghare se na these are the types of images image ki regni tirta so de chik image kem cha ye de stivwa image la type ni there are two types of images real virtual real image virtual image right so we are here to distinguish between the two a real image the virtual image the lela shu real image can be formed on screen virtual image cannot be formed on screen dire ta kebar ta lelha shu chi kan la ya shevi na lelha shu ta kebar di ni dire real the virtual kesi image ek anga ju screen kan la ya so thup gu na but for example when you watch a movie the image is being projected on the screen and then you enjoy it right so kyanzo check lonye de civic cup so ya di kharsa check kharsa re lonye thamye gi ta check di mena de ge kyanzo thong di gi do ngajo they can screen can ya. And this image the candidate which is na, that's a real image. We see it on the screen, right? Then there are some images which are not formed on the screen. Screen can ya so to mare image to get it, tone to mare. So the image layer as a virtual image sig. 개발직 대체로와 virtual입니다. 개발 망부 용구로와 virtual 코드 레라 쇼디 독스 시치네 가지고 코드 트위그. 진짜 두개 솔이야. real image 카레스 virtual image 카레. 완타는 가지고 지게 ray diagram 장기매자 아니 가지고 다다데레 값수 파베 단데 데지간이야. 샤비나 real image 카레 virtual image 카레. 야 진짜 토르치베나 야 디간이야 단데 아니 카세르 두고 와야 디간이야 데시게다 만다데 용구레. 디즈라 So they get to see the cancer gezi pinhole camera the search and if you are able to see the image on the screen then that image would be real. If you are not able to see the image on the screen then the image would be virtual. So there are characteristics of image formed by a pinhole camera karashangi option khashishte damka khashishte vi ta dige di cancer link yabe chedu so ranking going pinhole camera chi and then cancer ge tashwa dinange kartongudu so option dige di match shu toksi ane pinhole camera di gi deshe di taginge kanla gyapsa vi thangbo kharchigre light from the sun or a light from sun you can take any primary source of light but that light should be quite strong enough there should be a primary source of light and then on the object the light falls on an object reflect reflect khane zugure kiragi soyashaba pinhole camera gi pinhole chidwa hole chidwa ikundeni zugur ikundeni zuchene then what happens screen jorwa dinal screen dikala kiranzu tayare image sögudu mendu o du sessionda kiranzu deshigere first second third point wise sessionra 도시 당보 카트가 니보 카트가 어도시 다기에 빠르나 된 사비 pinhole camera 스웨치네 기나서 따로치 안 기나서 대셔게로치 소소라는 봐 독신 다 어디 진짜 두배기 어디 독 사브체 챕터 디나로 롭센 디나라 여기 간랑 아주 가시지 간에 데바타 진행에 대셔게이 다 여건이한 단도직 십더도지 그냥 저 단도 야체를 장고서는 영화진데 둠바값슬라비레 진짜 개버값수일라비레 디게 디키나서 롭센 디게 디나 디게 어도신 센트로 보고서 아니 결정하고 제로치 안 키란소 직 토고토모데 게파르레 야 삼주제 레체체네 소소게 제게야 가리 사바셴 바디게데 파 미션 테체 발랍 안 트바디게 유베나 트두르치 제베나 펜수 니가 펜 토두레 독세시 나노 제슈에이 아세 토치나네